Hello, and welcome back to your Genesis Software new feature video. In today's video, we have added a helpful button to replace vehicles on an auto policy screen. Let's take a look. From inside my client policy holder, clicking there, I'll locate their active auto policy. And once inside the auto policy, you will now notice that in the vehicle section, there is a helpful replace button option to replace vehicles. So currently she has a 2025 Nissan Armada. And now if I need to replace or update that vehicle, I can simply click on the new replace option, clicking there. It'll then ask me which vehicle I want to replace. If I had multiple vehicles, I'd select the vehicle I'm replacing and then click replace. It will ask me to confirm my choice. I click OK. It brings me into the screen to now replace my vehicle. I'll make up a VIN here, clicking a new year, going back with a Nissan. And this time they are going to get a front here, filling in all the required information highlighted in yellow, and then scrolling down, I have the option to print the endorsement, or I can simply go ahead and save it. No, not in this case. You'll now notice that the 2025 vehicle is in red, indicating that it is no longer active, and the 2026 vehicle has now been applied as the replacement vehicle. I hope this new button makes your day a little bit easier. And as always, should you have any questions, there's always the helpful chat support icon at the bottom right of your screen, or all the way to the left, bottom of your toolbar, clicking on resources and then clicking help. You'll notice our YouTube channel where you can find all of our tutorial vehicles. Thank you for joining me.